What's up guys, Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how you can find clients by commenting on other people's content on LinkedIn. Now to start with, you want to clean up your newsfeed, and I'm going to put some links in the comments below which will help you to unfollow every single page, every person imaginable, and every hashtag. You want to have a clean start. If you haven't done this before, this is a very important step to make sure that you're actually finding content of potential customers. Once you have unfollowed everyone, it's really important to build up your structure to find potential customers. Start by following industry-specific hashtags that are used by potential customers and are used within your industry. Then make sure that you stay connected to potential customers that are connections of you but haven't been turned into a connection yet. So you want to be connected to all the potential customers, so it's always at your fingertip. When someone is leaving a comment, you will be able to see that in your newsfeed, so you can instantly reach out to their post and leave a meaningful comment to start a conversation. You can also join industry-specific groups. If those LinkedIn groups contain a large number of potential customers, this is a great opportunity to find potential leads. Now, here's the key. Whenever you see like an interesting post in your newsfeed, it's time to write a comment. And you always want to structure your comments the following way. You want to give them part of the solution and then finish with a question. And this question can usually take the form of an "this depends on this or that. Can you tell me which is your case?" And the purpose of doing it this way, how structuring this way, is so you can get them to reply to you. So you're just baiting them by giving them part of the solution, but then making sure that they're reaching out to you in return. Now, there are two ways how you can do this. You can either do this completely publicly and just ask them, hey, this depends. Is it either A or B? And then do this in the comments. Or you can be really straight and direct and tell them, hey, this depends. It could be this or that. And once they tell you which it is, you can tell them, please direct message me and I can send you some information. Or you can even post your email and say, hey, if you want to know this, I have some material about other cases, please just text me and then I can get in touch with you. And this is how you can create enough curiosity so you can then take this and start a conversation with a potential customer on LinkedIn. And the best tip of all, create your own content. This is the most powerful way how we can attract the most number of potential customers, by creating highly targeted content, building an audience on LinkedIn, and then using the right hashtag to attract an audience of laser-focused potential customers. If you want to learn more about how to do this step by step, I have a 6 hours plus LinkedIn Accelerator program which teaches you exactly my entire system, how to generate leads on LinkedIn, how to build an entire sales funnel. So if you want to do that, get more customer, get more business for your business, please check it out. I put the link down in the comments below and in the description. And if you want to get more videos also, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.